ChatGPT, powered by GPT 3.5, is a versatile language model that can be incredibly useful in a wide range of applications. Its natural language understanding and generation capabilities make it valuable for various tasks. Here are some ways ChatGPT can be useful and the different things it can be used for. Content generation. ChatGPT can generate human-like text for blog posts, articles, creative writing, product descriptions, and more. It can save time and effort for content creators. Customer support. ChatGPT can be used as a virtual customer support agent, providing instant responses to common queries, assisting users, and helping with troubleshooting. Language translation. It can be used for translating text from one language to another, making it useful for international communication and content localization. Code writing. ChatGPT can generate code snippets in Andrea's programming languages based on a given problem statement, helping developers with their coding tasks. Educational tool. It can provide explanations on various topics, answer questions, and serve as a study aid for students. Creative writing. ChatGPT can be used as a tool for brainstorming ideas, creating characters, or generating story plots. Data analysis. It can assist in data analysis by summarizing data, generating insights, and helping with natural language interfaces for data visualization tools. Language understanding. It can extract information from unstructured text data, making it useful for sentiment analysis, opinion mining, and market research. Virtual assistant. ChatGPT can be integrated into applications as a virtual assistant, providing users with a conversational interface for various tasks. Idea generation. It can help in generating new ideas for products, services, or marketing campaigns. Interactive entertainment. ChatGPT can be used in interactive storytelling, text-based games, and other forms of entertainment. Language learning. It can assist language learners by providing practice conversations, explanations of grammar concepts, and vocabulary expansion. To use ChatGPT for these different tasks, you would typically need to develop or integrate it into specific applications or platforms. This could involve building a custom user interface, integrating with APIs, or using it as a back-end service. It's important to ensure that the use of ChatGPT aligns with ethical considerations, as it should be used responsibly and avoid generating harmful content or biased responses. If you have any other topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to suggest them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Subscribe to Basics In. Like and share my video with your friends and family.